Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to install Node.js on your Macbook M1 or M2 processor. Without wasting your time, let's get start video. Open your favorite browser and search it simply Node.js download. Hit enter. After that, you go to this option. Simply will tick there Mac OS and download it. So after downloading, you should have to double click on there. Simply press continue. After that, you should have to agree term and condition. Click on agree. After that, install. You should have to type your password of your Mac. I am typing there password of my Mac. You should have to type your password of your Mac. After that, close and move between. I don't need of this file. Simply open terminal. Type there node -drsin version. Hit enter. You can see here 21.6.2. It is installed. Thank you for watching this video.